So once you start getting content out on LinkedIn regularly or semi-regularly, you've done a lot of the heavy lifting, but this is where the hard work really starts to spark those real conversations. So content is a great starting point. It is going to get people checking out your profile, engaging with your content. Now we need a simple strategy, repeatable strategy to go from content into conversations and give people an opportunity to talk with us. Ultimately, if we're selling a high ticket service, more one-to-one conversations is going to lead to more sales, and real conversation is ultimately the point of any content that we create or any marketing that we do. This is a quick walkthrough on the system that we use to go from content into conversations. Got this playbook. There are kind of 5 buckets of what we would call hand raisers, so people that it's worth trying to start a conversation with. The context to all this is that you want to be really clear on who you're trying to reach and who you're trying to start conversations with. So your ideal client, that person that might buy from you. They might also be potential referral partners, collaboration partners. They might be suppliers, for example, as well. So we don't apply this strategy as a blanket rule to everyone that checks out your profile or engages with your content. You want to be strategic and thoughtful about who you look to spark conversations with. So working through from kind of most valuable to least valuable, or highest potential to lowest potential, the first place that we want to start with hand raisers is people who've checked out our profile. This is a good high intent signal. You'll need LinkedIn Premium to be able to see everyone that's viewed your profile. I think that's worth the investment. And I'll show you how we approach non-slimy outreach to people that have shown some level of intent or raised their hand in some way. For me, I'm talking to CEOs, I'm talking to founders, potentially solopreneurs as well. So if we take this example, Laura Hutchinson, I can see she has followed me and she's also checked out my profile. So this is someone that I would definitely want to reach out to. We're going to go more, we're going to go connect, and then we're going to add a note. Hi, Laura. Now we want to use the idea of present commonality. And in this case, it is the thing that we have in common is the fact that she's checked out my profile and she's followed me. So I would reference that. Thanks for following me. Then we want to just hand the microphone over. And if they want to start a conversation, give them the opportunity to do so. Did anything in my profile stand out? So this would be the classic outreach message that I would send to any hand raisers that fit your target audience. Once we work through profile viewers, next place to go and look is any new followers. So you're going to go into my network, following and followers. Anyone in this list where you haven't followed them yet means they've just started following you out of the blue. For me, the other audience that I'm often trying to talk to is other writers, freelancers who I can add to my talent pool. So someone like Ryan would definitely be worth reaching out to. This is not always just customers or potential prospects. Could be collaboration partners and suppliers as well. Potential referral partners. So we work through any new followers. Next place to go and look is from any content that has gone out, checking out people who've engaged with that content. So we go here. Comments are a great place to look. So working through the comments section for any second degree connections. And then you can go into the other likes and reactions as well. Look for second degree connections that fit your target audience. Of course, you can use this as an opportunity to reopen conversations with people you're already connected to. So it can be worth investigating first degree connections as well. But it's really important to have a strategy to go from content to conversation. There are a lot of people that just lurk on LinkedIn that will interact at the surface level without going any further. And so setting the table, giving them a clean opportunity to start a conversation if they're open to it is a really important part of strategy when it comes to LinkedIn.